So here we go. You.
Okay. Today I finna do see by Tyler right here. Look at it. We finna eat Cardi B and Offset meal. You know like Cardi B? She doing those like I like her wigs and stuff. I like her dresses and stuff. And then baby she been killing those outfits. But my mama don't know is, please, that I'm coughing in her food. Plenty people don't talk about don't like when people cough on our food. They don't be playing with our food. So let's get into it, to the prank.
2,000 years later.
Oh, what's up?
Go.
Oh. We got food and Coop eating his Happy Meal.
Yeah, Coop man got the Happy Meal. Hey. All right. Cardi B and Offset meal.
I get this one.
Okay, what's that? A high C?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a Sprite. You know what? Y'all know what I went and did too.
Here it is.
Hold on, I did one thing.
What?
That's Cooper's thing.
Oh, you got slushy on.
I did. That's why it took so long. Stop and got me a slushie. Because your girl wanted a slushie, okay? So no thank you. Okay, sit down.
Got these fries.
Okay, came with some fries. They were stingy with the fries. Y'all see that?
Is it more?
Stingy. Yeah, it's some more.
Oh, yes it is.
And then, hold on.
Hold on, there's some inside.
It's stingy. Okay. And then we got a...
Y'all see this?
It's a little burnt. Then we got a cheeseburger.
Which is gonna be mine.
Okay, get the cheeseburger. You had a cheeseburger.
Cause I think with that big burger.
Oh, I had gotta make chicken too, just in case.
Mom, I wanted to make chicken.
Okay, we'll see. If you don't like it, then I give it to you.
Okay.
Alright, and then we got a 1/4 pounder and an apple pie.
You eat that? I don't want that.
You don't like apple pie? What? Like, you got a new recipe at McDonald's, so I'm like, I don't know about it.
Keep having that.
Okay, hold on. You just ready to eat it, my God.
Mom, it's taking forever.
Okay, calm down. Jeez. We're gonna get us a little plate, okay? Hold on. Let me get us a plate.
Try me, listen. I like it.
Huh, was they supposed to give us like 2 fries? I feel like it. Cause we only got 1.
How dare y'all?
Hold on, Cardi B. Y'all, you and Offset be sharing fries? What? Like, I need my own, baby. I'm a big girl.
Mom, it's Valentine's Day. They should share it.
Oh, okay, well, I guess that's sweet. Y'all share y'all food. Oh. Here, get your plate. Okay.
Mom, I need that mac chicken. Cause I
You
wanted
ain't even
that.
tasted it.
I wanted it. I said, Mom, if I don't like this, I'll give you a mac chicken. She was like,
but
okay.
she the one who wanted to try Cardi B and Offset Mia, so. Alright.
Honey ranch.
Okay.
Thank you.
We forgot, they ain't even giving no ranch, they ain't giving no ketchup, they gave her 1 french fry. See, that's why I don't like fast food restaurants, because y'all don't make y'all stuff with love no more. Y'all don't make y'all stuff with dignity. And then I went to a good McDonald's. Like, I went to the one that usually do good.
Oh,
like,
I never last year. We had like, you know, the old burgers.
Yeah, it had little mold on the bun.
And it had a bug on it.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost passed out.
Cardi B, we love you. I said we love y'all because we won't even like McDonald's like that because they be tricky. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what she doing. Anyway. Alright. Okay, let's get into it.
Okay.
What you doing?
I just chicken filet sauce.
She is putting Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce on her McDonald's.
What?
Honey.
But we get Chick-fil-A sauce just so y'all think I want ain't it.
Honey. I don't know what she got going on, baby.
Who,
You.
I put
Oh, she got Chick-fil-A sauce instead of the Polynesian.
I'm not nasty.
Okay.
I'm not nasty.
But you eat McDonald's though, like.
I ain't nasty with my classmates.
Okay, whatever, but you eat McDonald's and putting Chick-fil-A sauce on it.
That's for guys.
Oh, okay. I mean, I guess I understand. You do not need all this sauce, Kyla Marie.
Ugh, I like pickle.
Kylie, sit. Hold on.
Sorry.
Hold on. Sit down. I need you to sit on the seat.
Sorry, y'all. Commercial break.
Okay. So here we go. Try. Stop. Now hold on. Let's get into it. Let me bite my food. Don't be coughing over here. Okay. What's your cheeseburger taste like? No, you ain't even giving it a chance. You nasty. Hold on. Let me bite mine. Chew it. She don't even like cheeseburgers, and she talking. This just gotta be up that meal. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Gotta put a little ranch on it. Y'all see this? What was that? You just pop on my food. I'll stop you with this burger. You better be glad I don't feel like nothing got on it.
Mom. Mom, we be kissing each other.
I don't care. Don't cough on me. I'm hungry. Girl. I'm finna take it. I'll make you get out while I eat it. Knock it out. Now let me eat a piece. Move.
Mom.
Kyle, you cough on here again, I'm gonna pop you.
Okay.
That's not funny.
You know that's your butt.
Move! I don't even want to do it no more. Forget it. Cut it.
Why are you just a prank? Mom! Oh, sit down.
Kylie, don't
I
play
didn't
with me
even
like
call
that.
for it. It's a fake call.
I don't care. Don't play like that. I'm trying to eat. You don't play with nobody's food acting like you coughing. I'll knock you out. Play too much. I'm already mad I didn't get my hair done today.
guys.
Bye. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, drop a comment, all that.
And you already know. Leave a comment so I can do some more pranks.
Don't. Cause it's not gonna be always Austin, Kyla, and Tier. It's just gonna be Tier and she keep on pranking me. Okay?
It's gonna be me.
Cause this one almost got you beat up.